Welcome to HDFC Securities 5-minute market wrap-up for the week ended on Friday, 1st March 2024. The image on the screen refers to the key macroeconomic news as bulls appear to have landed a strong punch with India's GDP growing by 8.4% in the quarter ended December 2023. The GDP growth was far stronger than the 6.6% median estimate of economists, driven in part by higher taxes and a change in the base estimate for FY23. In other key macroeconomic news, SEBI directed AMCs to provide additional disclosures relating to their holdings, particularly in the small cap mutual fund schemes. The AMFI followed it up by asking mutual funds to limit flows into the mid and small cap funds and to rebalance their scheme. In the US, personal consumption expenditures price index rose by 2.4% year-on-year compared to 2.6% in December. In Europe, however, core inflation came in at 3.1% year-on-year, above the 2.9% expected. In markets this week, Nifty rallied sharply on Friday after the release of quarterly GDP data and ended the week higher by about 0.57%. The small caps, however, had corrected on Wednesday following the SEBI and AMFI guidance. Despite the rally on Friday, the small cap index ended lower by 1% for the week. Among sectoral losers, shares of media heavyweights Sun TV and Zee corrected sharply after the announcement of a merger between Disney's India Media Properties and Reliance's Media Properties. The Nifty Media ended the week lower by 6.7%. Among sectoral gainers, Nifty Metals and Nifty Consumer Durables ended the week higher by about 2%. In select market movers during the week, Intellect Design Arena shares rose by 17% after Societe Generale decided to deploy the corporate treasury exchange platform in France. Shares of PB Fintech rose by 9.2% during the week after the company's subsidiary got an approval from IRDAI to act as a composite insurance broker. Among select losers this week, shares of Vodafone Idea ended lower by 19.1% despite a board approval to raise funds of up to Rs 45,000 crores via a mix of equity and debt. Shares of Rain Industries fell 12% after the company reported consolidated net loss of Rs 1,119 crores compared to a profit of 90 crores a year ago. In FII activity this week, FIIs were big purchases on expiry day on 29th February. As a result, for the week, FIIs net sold only Rs 24 crores of equities. The DIIs ended the week with net purchases of Rs 8,268 crores. US markets also strengthened after inflation data came in line with expectations. The Nasdaq Composite reached a new record high and was up 1.74% this week. In this section, we discuss select reports published by HDFC Securities research teams during the week. You can access these reports at the links shown in the description. Birla Corporation manufactures cement at 8 locations through 11 manufacturing units and has a combined capacity of 20 million tons per annum. Company reported unitary EBITDA per ton rebounding to a 10-quarter high of Rs 903 per metric ton. Our bull case fair valuation of Rs 1,996 values the company at 9.4 times FY26 estimated EV EBITDA and an enterprise value of $98 per metric ton. Our retail research team also came out with a note on Saregama Limited. The company is the oldest music label in India with the largest library of song intellectual property in its bouquet. The company has a target of acquiring 25 to 30% of all new music in India over the next 2 to 3 years. Our team has assigned a bull case fair value of Rs 477 per share. That is all for this week. Do refer to the detailed disclaimer on your screens. Please note that the securities discussed in the presentation were for information and educational purposes only. Thank you.